안녕 친구들, it's me, Mimi. These days, we have to wear a mask when going outside. Why? Well, it's because of a virus called COVID-19. Now, in order for us to get through this, we have to stay safe and healthy. And one of the ways we can do it is by wearing a mask. I don't know about you, but I lose my mask all the time. Or I drop it all the time. So today, we're going to make something that'll help you never lose your mask. We're going to make mask chains. Oh yeah. Okay, first let's check what we need. Lego. Here are the materials you need to make a mask chain. There isn't a lot, so let's get started. First, we have a mask. Now, make sure it's not too big and not too small, and it fits comfortably right on your face. Next, we need scissors. Check. And then some stretchy string. Check. And clasps. These are optional, so if you don't have them, it's okay. Just ask an adult to help you tie the stretchy string onto your mask. And then we have beads, all different shapes and sizes. And last but not least, some stickers. Now these are optional, but stickers, you can't go wrong with stickers. Now we have all our materials. Let's put on our creative caps. First, I'm going to get the stretchy string and cut it. For the length, you don't want to make it too short because remember, you have to put it through your head. So, I will measure it from my wrist to my elbow. And then, double that. Wrist to elbow and double that. Ta-da! We have our string. Then, I'm going to get a clasp. Then put it into the hole like this. And we're going to tie it. One time and another knot. Twice, like this. Okay, just to be safe, let's do another knot. Perfect! Okay, let's get started. There's so many. I don't know which one to choose. I know. We can make a pattern. Do you guys like patterns? Great, because I love patterns. Patterns are quite simple. It's a group of items repeated over and over and over again. So, let's go ahead and choose which group of items we're going to use. And then I'll repeat it over and over again. Okay? Ooh, it's a heart. And it's blue, one of my favorite colors. Next, ooh, clovers. This yellow one is nice. You know, clovers actually bring you luck. And, ooh, shiny disco ball. I like shiny things. Ooh, this one is so special. It's like little beads all over, but different colors. Which one should I choose next? Ooh, look! It's a starfish! Do you know why it's called a starfish? Well, I'm guessing it's because it looks like a star. Next, I'll choose... Ooh. I also really like butterflies. Okay, I chose the beads that I want to use. Now this is not a pattern based on color, but more based on shape. So let's go ahead and put the first group of patterns onto our string. All right, this is the first group of items. Now, remember, I said we're going to make a pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat exactly this. Oh, do you guys want to hear a really funny joke? Okay, listen carefully. What do you call a dinosaur that is really sleepy? Give up? A dinosaur! Okay, I think this is the last bead. And now we just have to do the finishing touch. This part can be a little tricky, so ask an adult to help you. Finished! This is Mimi's one and only unique mask chain. So pretty! Oh, can you show me yours? Closer, closer, I can't see it. They're beautiful. I love yours too. Oh, and guess what? It's long enough to wear as a necklace too. Okay, time to put it onto the mask. Wow, so pretty. Oh, the stickers? Don't worry, I didn't forget them. Now, I know this chain is very unique already, but we can make our masks even more unique by adding a sticker. I'm going to choose the blue one. Okay. And remember to put it somewhere where not close to your nose and mouth, okay? Somewhere around this area, around the outside, like here. Okay, it's time to put on the mask chain. And whenever you're not wearing your mask, all you have to do is take it off like this and just leave it. You don't ever have to worry about putting it on dirty surfaces or ever losing it again. Oh, and here's a tip. Whenever you're eating, all you have to do is turn it around like this because it makes it much easier to eat. And it becomes a pretty necklace. All right, everyone, remember to always change your mask regularly and wash your hands often. Oh, and the most important part, make sure to like our videos, 좋아요, and subscribe. Good luck. Okay, see you next time. Bye.